start with A and C, and left hand is on A. So basically it's in A minor. And right hand has a lot of eighth note going on. And also it's in the pickup beat. So it starts with the fourth beat. So rhythm goes 1 and 2 and 3. And it starts at 4. 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and the lots of D. 3 and the same note but switching finger number 1, 2, A. Skip up, step down, 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 down. Right hand cross it over to E, and the left hand stepping up to B and E. And 3, and 1, and the left hand 3, left F, and right hand is D with finger number 3. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And then switching finger number and go to G and skip down. 2 and same note but switching to finger number 1. 4 and then left hand step down to D, right hand step up to A. And 2, skip up, step down, down, and then E. Finger number 2, cross it over to D. And right hand C, left hand A. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and left hand F and C, right hand D. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and the left hand time note stays, bottom just goes down, one step down. 1 and 2 and 3 and the same note. 4 and left hand D and A, right hand stepping up. And 2 and 3 and 4 and cross it over to E, left hand shift it up. And 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and step up, 2, skip up and left hand shift it up. E, B, C, and 2 and 3 and 4. And now the next part, moving to right hand B flat and left hand G, D, G. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And so right hand only has that note, just going up and down. Got it? So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And this time right hand tied, so you play only left hand. 1 and 2 and 3 and now stepping down, down and step up and left hand goes to A. 3 and 4 and the right hand G. G, D, G again, and the right hand B flat. The same part. C. 1 and 2 and the left hand skip down to C and F. 2 C 2 and left hand just a step down, the bottom note only stepping down. Finger number 2 1 2 same note, finger number 1 and skip bob, and the left hand skip down to D. Step down and 2 A